We have already learned how to change a percent into a decimal or fraction. It is equally important to be able to change from a decimal or a fraction into a percent. To change anything into a percent, the important point is to multiply by 100. If you are given a fraction, multiply the fraction by 100. If you are given a decimal, multiply the decimal by 100. If you are given even a whole number, multiply the whole number by 100, and that would change your number into a percent. Here's an example of converting a fraction to a percent. I'm given 4/5 and asked to convert this to a percent. If I'm changing my fraction to a percent, I simply multiply it by 100. Remember, anything that needs to be changed into a percent, simply multiply by 100. And from there, I go back to my fractions. 5 into 5 goes once, 5 into 100 goes 20 times, and then this becomes 80%. Therefore, 4/5 is the same thing as 80%. Again, I can change anything into a percent by simply multiplying by 100. I'm told 6. Change 6 into a percent. I would simply multiply 6 by 100. 6 by 100 becomes 600%. Another example. Convert a half into a percent. 1/2 into a percent. Take 1/2 and multiply 1/2 by 100. 1/2 by 100, 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 100 goes 50 times. Therefore, 1/2 is the same as 50%. What about 0.28? Change 0.28 into a percent. If I'm changing 0.28 into a percent, I would simply multiply 0.28 by 100. Therefore, 0.28 as a percent is 28%. Notice we can change a fraction into a percent, we can change a whole number into a percent, and we can also change a decimal into a percent by simply multiplying by 100.